So in order to support and run the shiplap down the side here, I've installed a 2x3. I've screw nailed the window frame into the 2x3, so that it's an even spacing all the way down the side for the shiplap. And then I've used industrial adhesive and another wood slat screw nailed into the frame and industrial adhesive to hold this 2x3 onto the frame, and using this wood also to support that. So I think when that dries, that's going to be pretty solid, and then I'll just continue to install the shiplap down the side of the window frame, and then I can fit the one across the bottom. When I put my shiplap across underneath the window here, I really need to put something to support the shiplap. So I had this 2x3 that I actually had cut maybe a half inch or inch off of it. Nice flat surface. And I've trimmed it so that it's going to fit right up in here. And I'll screw and screw nail this up onto that under the window. So when I put my piece of shiplap across, I've got really something solid that it's going to be supported with. This is a speaker box that I'm building to be mounted up in the back left-hand corner on the driver's side of the van. And underneath, I want to mount a little reading light. So, I've marked where I think I might want that reading light to be. And I've got to figure out how to get it apart. These reading lights are genuine marine reading lights, so they're for boats, I guess, but work good in a van. Free replacement, free shipping, free update. No idea what that means. But anyways, there's two of them that came in the box. I'm going to use one for now, and a little cotter key is used to take it apart. And here's the mounting ring. Well, that's cute. Goes like that, I guess. So first I need to drill a hole through my box to take the wires. Wires go through. They do. Okay. And two screws to hold, two screws holding out on the mounting plate. You know what I should do? I should make that hole bigger. So if I ever have to change this light, I could pull. I guess I could just snip the wires off and pull it out. Yeah, I'll just snip the wires off and pull it out. Very small. So here's the marine light installed, and the way this light works is if you touch it once on the outside, 2 blue ring lights come on, and that's a night light. If you touch it again, the light turns on. If you touch and hold it, it goes bright. Touch and hold it again, and it dims down. Touch it, goes out. So it's a pretty cool light. I like it a lot. So I think we'll get lots of use out of that reading light.